The truth about building self-reliance. Week 1 results. Everyone talks about self-reliance, but nobody tells you how hard it actually is. This is week 1 of building my system. This is the truth, no filters. Things I expected, quick progress, easy setup, reality. It takes time, it's physical work, mistakes happened. This is the results. Some plants are growing well, some are struggling. That's part of the process. The challenges, problem I faced, watering issues, soil preparation, time management, but I'm learning. The lessons, key lessons learned. Start small, be consistent, focus on soil. This is not instant, it's a system. The message, most people quit because it's not easy, but this is how independence is built, through discipline and consistency. If you are serious about change, stay with me. Comment, consistency, if you are not quitting. Next, we talk about skills that create income. This is real. This is Inkarhi, it's time. And I'm Kunduz, signing off. Thank you for watching. From dependency to self-reliance.